Hey guys, and welcome to another awesome giveaway. On today's video we have right here our latest winner. However, if you guys would like a chance to win, follow the 3 simple steps coming up right here for a chance to win. Anyways, whatever this winner chooses from the item shop, you do not need to sign up for that. You can sign up for whatever you would like, and if there's something that's not there right now, you can still sign up for it and then hope by the time you win that it's there in the item shop, which does include the battle pass. But anyways, let's just get started with the gifting. So let's just go right into the battle pass. That's where we can gift it out. We're going to see on the top right hand side, it's going to say gift battle pass. For me, that's triangle. So I'm going to go on and do that. Then just check my party, select today's winner, and hold to gift out. Sending gift. Of course, this does not cost V-Bucks. This costs actual money. You cannot gift it out with V-Bucks. And it's sending off the gift right now. There we go. So the winner, what does he have to do to get this right away? Well, he just has to change his banner. We can actually go into the game, get out of the game. That should refresh Fortnite, and then he should be able to see his gift. Some people just get it right away, but most people, we have to always do that. There's always a glitch in Fortnite. So how can I make sure that he got the gift? Easy. If I just go here, gifting again, I cannot send this over again because he already has it. So that's how I can verify that he actually got the gift. So let's just go back. Awesome. So we can see you got the battle pass. Congrats for winning. If you guys would like a chance to win, follow these 3 simple steps. Step number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're going to see support a creator. So you're just going to go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind, it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done. Accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. Just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass. If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.